150 flush. You
Mm,
love my
he's 20
sparkly cowgirl,
HP.
huh? Aw, thank you, Harry. I appreciate that. I didn't want to put it on because I thought it might look silly, but you guys like it, so I'll keep it on. Wraith, but oh no, the booty hole. Yeah, like the.
Where are you going?
Like the Wraith POI.
Oh.
Why are you running?
I cracked the target shield. Reloading.
Oh, that guy's so low.
My ears like.
Reloading.
That's anemone.
Getting shot at.
Okay.
Frag out. Recharging my shields.
Hi, Westside. Aw, thank you. I appreciate that. You love the birthday vibes? I love birthday vibes too. I try to make it the best birthday stream I can.
Here's a
So
P20.
I put up the little decorations and everything. Spent too much time on the decorations, to be honest. That's why I was late to stream.
New kill leader.
Opening fire on our prey.
Pretty plush.
Kill feed crack thing? Oh, I know.
So running, helping a bat.
Target spotted.
They're just full running.
Quanto de são flash?
Current angle sucks. Switching it up.
Oh no, I didn't make it. Oh man.
Oh, man.
Shattered the prey's shield. Reloading.
They're both low.
Yeah, I just fucking can't find any of them. He's literally so far, and I have a Bolt Eva. I need to switch guns.
I don't take the sweet angle. Moving.
You know what's the best thing that Apex added was
Damn
the
it.
third-party
Stop running, please.
in the kill feed. That is
Oh my
like
god, I
the
need to
best.
stop hip firing and just aim at him.
Reloading. Down to mark.
Is he like 1 HP or what?
I knocked him. I'm just trying to get back up there.
Oh.
Getting a fresh angle.
Hostile spotted.
They're going nuts over here. Who's flying? Oh, it's our teammate. That's honestly the best one about the third party. That's like so clutch for like ranked. Cause like sometimes you genuinely just can't tell if there's a third team.
I guess it's just for now, it's just
What
broken,
in
but
tunnel?
it doesn't show when her Q is up.
Moving to echo for a better angle. Some prey there.
You get that every like 15 seconds.
Got
Holy
a tag
shit.
on him. Firing. Just try and
Oh,
hide
what
with that shiny tag on you. I cracked the target
What
shield.
was that? You like hit him.
Yeah, I just hit him with a headshot.
Killed an enemy.
Shattered the prey's shield.
All father, give me sight.
Oh shit, Ken. There's literally a thing.
Hold on, I'll chow it.
I'm recharging my shield.
Got a tag on him.
50. Peek it again. But you won't.
Tag some prey.
Oh my god!
Prey's shield.
He killed Billy.
I love this character.
Took down the last of that squad.
Oh, my eyes
This is
so
my
itchy.
new favorite character.
Reloading.
We're close to the ring. 30 seconds left.